was was listed before the bench of Justice Seema Puri, who had been hearing this matter. Then it will come up, if my lord will see the last order before the bench decided by my lord's Justice Ilan Trivedi, then the order was passed to be listed before the concerned bench. Now, my lords, appropriate bench, yes, before the appropriate bench. Now, my lords, we were just saying that this matter has been heard and there is a specific direction passed on 22nd January 2020.
It has to go before that bench.
My lords, this matter
That last order, there must be I've been led by Mr. Gupta, he is talking. There must be an administrative order.
I do not know. I am just bringing it to my lord's notice. If there is one, then I'm not aware of. But
No administration.
So this is about the DLED trained teachers, Miller. The dispute is, Miller, that there is a cut-off date. The advertisement is advertised on a particular date. The rule says that those who are qualified on the issuance of the notification, they are qualified. The petitioners here in Miller, they are admittedly not qualified on the day of
no, that's not correct. This is a very
controversy, Miller.
no, that's completely incorrect because the rule
That is right for the controversy. That is the controversy.
That's the controversy.
no, then I am the permission. I can open my matter.
Because on the date of the advertisement, they will not.
So my lords, very well. So my lords, the first thing is whether if my lords are going on with the matter, that's one part. I will take it. The issue is not as it's being projected. We were those candidates who were in that final year who had to take an exam in June as per the West Bengal board. West Bengal board did not conduct the exams in June. There was a petition filed, the exams were held. The rule has a specific provision that those candidates who are appearing for that exam in that particular year and those who have qualified will be entitled to be considered.
Now, the rules,
my learned friend, I do not see where's the urgency. It's all on record. There is a government rule out there and there's a rule in the provision. And that's what the court has considered. We were eligible on the date on which we took that particular exam because we had already appeared for our final exam. And that's what the rule clearly says, my lords. Now, my lords, on that basis, we have been found eligible and have been considered there. But the point is this:
no,
that my
eligibility. This is what
Primary teachers.
these are primary teachers.
eligibility.
And my lords,
बीच में क्यों बोल रहे हो?
Not controversial.
Don't do anything. Just keep quiet.
Not
now, my lords, the position is this: that by my lord's order, if my
No,
lords
eligibility, as I understand, would be this TET and all that.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. No, my lords, there is the other factor here.
Diploma.
Between
Were you having diploma at that time?
Yes,
No,
but
no.
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 My lords, can I answer?
अरे आप
without
उनको बोलने दो
answering?
ना आप नोट करके रखो
They can answer that.
हाँ
My lords, the case that arises here is between two competing sets of D-led candidates itself. Now, under the provision, there is a thing that if you are taking the exam in a particular year of your D-led final, here the exam got postponed for whatever reason attributable to the board. But I was taking the exam at that time, and the rule has a specific provision that if you are taking that particular exam, you are entitled to be taken into the
the rule
consideration.
says that.
Yes,
Just read that rule.
absolutely, and it's considered. It has come on the basis of the
Just-
NCT guidelines itself.
Just read the
Yes, my lords. Let me just get that.
NCT guideline says something else.
No, my lords. It was clarified. It was
Subsequent.
yes, it was clarified, and on that basis, yes. Yes. My lords, may just give me a moment because we were all expecting that this is not happening just now. So, but this is what the provision is. Yes.
This is
Just
the
give me that.
best.
My lords may take. My lords,
The last order has been complied with. The interim position is clear. So it
So we'll hear you some other day.
my lords, that rule is at 150. Lines are there at 150 because I remember.
You can read that.
Yes, my lords. Please come to page. This is NCTE, page 111, and at 115 is the guideline
Read.
for eligibility. Now, following persons shall be eligible for appearing in the TET. Person,
Which one are you reading?
my lord's eligibility at serial number 5. Oh, I'm sorry. My lord's, my paper book is Arindam Marje,
No.
which is 25.
This is Swimming Paul.
No, All are tagged, but then why?
You wanted Arindam.
Or in the
Yes.
matter, that's it.
Acha, Arindam will have it. Which panna is it?
My lord, it's 111 at 115.
The impugn judgment also has it. Your Lordship.
Yes,
This is
my
West
lord.
Bengal thing.
Yes. It's once again.
The
Mr.
impugn
Gupta is
judgment,
leading the.
the impugn judgment is extracted the relevant notification. That way everybody will be on the same page.
Yes.
Page 13, Your Lordships, 12 and 13 of the impugn
We
judgment.
have it, background and rationale.
Yes, my lords.
Where is it that says that you can?
Yes, my lords. Please come to the guidelines at page number 115.
This is different.
Guideline for conduct of TET.
Yes,
right?
absolutely. And the eligibility, my lords, at the bottom of the page. Eligibility, 115 that is. So a person who has acquired the qualification as specified in notification so and a person who's pursuing any of the teacher education courses specified in the NCT. Now I was at the stage of my final examination. And that is how I'm qualified.
We are concerned with the recruitment, not TT examination. TT examination, they were all.
My lords, this was also clarified.
And it is, there is a judgment of this honorable court. Lordship will decide.
You're right, this is for TET.
Yes, my lords, yes.
A
But
rule
my
is that page 5 of the impugn judgment. Lordship will see rule 6.
Yes.
The person will have to be trained on the date.
the advertisement itself says, give me the page on the advertisement.
It's guidelines for
May
conduct
we
of
just
TET.
keep it.
Page 5.
My lords, may keep
Date
it on
and
Monday.
recruitment are two
My
different
lords,
things.
may just
Cannot be
keep it
mixed.
on Monday.
The rule here is at page 13, Your Lordship, of the impugn judgment.
We
The
have
relevant-
nothing to do with this. We are concerned with DLED.
Yes, Your Lordships. These
My
are
lords, may
candidates who have
keep it on
passed that
Monday.
TET.
My lords, may please keep it on Monday. My lords, I
Should we just
I
see the rule?
thought that it was going
We
there.
have it on non-miscellaneous. there.
Yes, we keep it on non-mistake.
Lordship will say top of the board, very short.
Yes,
issue,
my lords, we keep it on top of the board. There's no problem.
Convenient to my lord.
Yes.
Whenever convenient.
Top of the board, if it's at the end, you have to turn the board.
Lordship, a very short issue, Lordship. Problem in all these matters, keep everything in limbo.
Page 135 also, same thing in this. A person who pursues.
And Tuesday.
Come Tuesday, after 2 weeks, just give it a date.
Yes, my lord.
List on and
Any
all.
specific date, Your Lordship?
Then give it.
And date.
My lord, we have filed implement application, my lord. We are the NIS candidate, my lord.
Lordship, NIS has been held to be different by another bench. Lordship, they
Then let the application remain there.
So, my lord, kindly allow that
Some other
so that we can.
if we are opposing, Lordship will decide the issue. Whatever is the logical conclusion.
Array, 8 minutes. What is NIS?
My lord, we are the NIS institute, my lord. We are the National Institute of Open Schooling. My lord,
Their SLP has been dismissed by this honorable court.
Open schooling is not.
Yes, their SLP has been dismissed in this
my lord,
issue.
we are already qualified.
They're coming in the
TET, my lord. We have already holding the TET, my lord. We have successfully applied, my lord.
You don't
Let
have a
the
diploma.
application remain on record. Let's.
So this, Your Worship, there's another application that is filed. This matter is about 2022 recruitment. What is not before Your Lordship is that there is another SLP pending before Honorable Justice Rishikesh Roy, which is about the 2020 notification. It's an admitted fact that 4,000 posts from 2020 have been carried forward to this recruitment by an interim order of 29 January. In this case,
Can't get that.
Yes.
it has been permitted to
My
fill
lord, Thulia was part of that bench which issued notice. There was actually non-suitable candidate. so-
Lordship, all we are seeking is that the interim order should say it should be subject matter of that.
No, they had asked for it on the
Will
last.
become infructuous.
Nothing.
That will become infructuous in Lordship 4,000.
Come on, non-miscellaneous.
Non-mistakes.
Yes.
Lordship can kindly give a specific date.
Then give it. 40.
Basically, Your Lordship,